Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to install this, a Blue Music device into the Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Now this plugs in place of the CD changer if you have one and enables you to stream music from your phone. So let's go. To install this device you will need a trim tool, a T25 Torx bit and a very small thin flat screwdriver. Right, the first thing you need to do is to remove this panel. So this is the panel that goes around the radio. Now I've removed mine before, so what you need to do is get a trim tool like this. We'll start at this end and just pull it. Okay, once you've got it on, get your hand behind it and just give it a good old tug like that. Okay, simple as that. Now I have read that sometimes some of these there's a bolt underneath in the glove box underneath, but mine doesn't have that, so just be wary of that. Right, next you want to remove these 4 T25 Torx bolts. There's 2 on the left, 2 on the right, so just remove those. Once those are removed, the radio will just pull out like this. There you go. So just get a bit of slack on the cables. Now you can see I've already removed my Blue and Me unit because it was faulty, so now's a good time to unplug it or fit a new one. Right, so once you've got the radio out, you'll see here this is the blue connector we need to take out. If you've got a CD changer, you'll have a cable coming out, so you can just remove that, tape it up and leave it dangling. So to remove this, you just push on this tab here. I can do it one-handed. There you go, it just comes out. Now sometimes these 2 connectors are one connector. If that's the case, you can buy an adapter to use instead, but as you can see mine are separate, so you should. Right, so take the connector and you'll see there's a small tab. Get the small thin screwdriver, slide it into the left of the tab, so push the tab to the right and then the connector comes off like that. Keep that somewhere safe, and the new device will just go in its place. Get the connector, push it from the back, bring it forward and locks in place. Okay, then all you need to do then is to push it back into the stereo. Go and find the hole there. Okay, and there you can see it's in place. So I'll just push that back in. Right, let's give it a test. Right, so turn on your Bluetooth on your phone, and at the bottom you'll see Blue Music Plus. So click on connect. There's no code, so it will just pair. So hit OK. And there you see Blue Music is connected for calls and audio. Right, let's see if we can play some music. Right, so I've just put some copyright free music from YouTube on. So it's playing from my phone and it's coming through as a track. Through the car. And you can change tracks. Next track. So that's how to stream music from your phone to your Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.